Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be using the new Morphe palette, and I'm going to be doing 3 completely different looks to show you what a variety of looks you can get from this palette. Going across, the first swatch is Make and Bank, Posh Boss, Bougie, Dazzle Them, Pearlflexion, Super Swanky, Flaunt It, and Plums Up. Marvelous, Pink Prize, Amethyst Awe, Treasure Trove, Ritzy Rose, Decent AF, Very Good, and That's Tempting is the next row. These shimmer shades are so pretty. They're very pigmented and creamy. The first one is Take the Crown, Oh Yes, Total Goals, Catch the Light, Bling Thing, Here for It, and Strike a Pose. This is how pigmented they are after only one swipe. Next row, Lavender, Purple Majesty, It's Violet, Make It Rain, You Fancy, Fame Game, Extra Oomph, and Why Not. Last row, Peritwinkle, Loaded Lilac, Grape Mines, Shiny Objects, Purple Luxe, Show Off, Garnet Glam, and Rocks On. I'm going to be taking Decent AF and I'm going to be packing that on my outer corner and in the crease of my eye. I'm going to be taking some loose powder and putting that all under my eyes so if any fallout comes out, the powder will catch it and not make a mess. With a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to be taking Fame Game and blending that into the top of Decent AF. Now I'm going to be taking a blending brush with no eyeshadow on it and blending those 2 shades together so there are no harsh lines. Using a mini blending brush, I'm going to take Super Swanky and blending that into the shadow that's already there and all the way up to my brow bone. I'm going to apply Catch the Light in the inner corner of my eye and I'm going to blend that into all the other shadow. Now I'm going to be taking Decent AF and blending that into the shimmer so there's no harsh lines. Then I'm going to wipe away the powder and I'm going to start on my under eye and I'm going to be using Purple Majesty and blending that all along the underneath of my eye. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. Now I'm going to be applying Make It Rain on the outer corner and crease of my eye, like I did in the previous look. I'm going to be taking Grape Mines and I'm going to be blending that into Make It Rain and I'm going to blend it out towards my brow bone. Now I'm going to use an eyeshadow brush with no product on it and finish blending everything together. Now I'm going to cut the crease. I'm going to apply some concealer on my eyelid and then look up, and that's going to leave the line to where the crease should go. Now I'm going to be taking a Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush, and I'm going to be applying Strike a Pose on the outer of the cut crease. Then I'm going to be taking here for it and apply that on the inner corner of the cut crease. And now I'm going to blend everything together. Now I'm going to be taking a mini blending brush and applying Purple Majesty under my eye. Now I'm going to take my finger and apply Take the Crown all over my eyelid. Now I'm going to be taking a fluffy blending brush and applying Rocks On, all on the outer corner and all along the crease of my eye. Now I'm going to be taking Posh Boss with a mini blending brush, and I'm going to blend that into Rocks On. Now I'm going to take Posh Boss and bring that farther down all along my whole lash line. I really wanted to show you guys how many different looks you could use with this palette. These are 3 totally different looks. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll be back with more videos.